Hey there. So, we're going to go over what we did in the lesson. So first let's take a look at blessings. And that will be, let's take a look at the left hand first. So you're basically going to want to look at going between 4 chords really darn well. The first one you're playing is E. The way we find which keys are black and which keys are white, remember, is that in the regular E chord, it would sound like this. Any key that is not a B or an E, you're going to move 1 key to the right. Both B and E occur in this chord. So this middle one, G, is the only one you move to the right. G sharp. That's E major. The F chord, this is the normal F chord. None of these keys are E or B, so you're moving all of them to the right. There's your F chord. The G chord, here's your normal G chord. We do have a B in the middle, so that stays the same, but the 2 outside ones move to the right. That is your G chord. Later on we have a D chord. This is your normal D chord. All of them move to the right. This is the adjusted D chord. So, you can maybe, if you remember that the first chord is an E chord, you can write the letter of the bottom note below each chord and practice moving between them. It goes E, F, G, E, F, D, E, F, G, and then we have an A chord. Here's our normal A chord. Here's our adjusted A chord. And we want to add 4 on B. A sharp, B, C, E. And then an E chord, just like normal, but with 4 on F sharp. The second line moves between those chords as well. And then the last system is a little bit different. The way you can do this is notice that the first chord in the last system has A on bottom, but with a gap on top. The normal chord would be like this, A, C, F. That's the gap on top, right? But none of these notes are B or E, so you're moving all of them to the right. Again, here's the adjusted chord. The other inverted chord has a D on the bottom with a gap on top again. The regular chord would be D, F, B. B does not change, but the bottom 2 do. There's your adjusted chord. So those are all the chords you need in the left hand. Just try and practice going between them as reasonably as possible. The right hand is going to start in a G position, G, A, B, C, D. However, to adjust to the key signature, B is the only one that does not move. All of the rest of them move to the right. G sharp, A sharp, regular B, C sharp, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D. Occasionally, you will need to move your 1 from G sharp to F sharp, and your 5 from D sharp to regular E, because E does not change. You're starting with your 3rd finger on B, and just do your best to read steps and skips from there. You did a pretty good job just sight reading it for the first time last lesson, so do your best, and if needed I can add finger numbers for you later. Alright, so that's blessings. We also looked at Galaxy, and I think, given that I've written the letters of the left-hand chords in, you can probably figure that out. Just give it a try yourself. For the right hand, you're starting on A, B, C, D, E. just do your best to read the steps and skips. Occasionally you're going to move to the C position, and that is in measure 71. The measure numbers are written in little letters or little numbers to the left-hand upper corner of each system. So you can count measure 70 at the beginning of the third page, and measure 71 is the one right after that. That's where you're moving up to the C position, C, D, E, F, G. I'll play it right now for you so that you can get a sense of how it goes. Starting in the A position, we're starting on A, 1. And then back to the A position. Back to the C position. Back to the A position. Back to the C position. C position, C position, C position, C position. And you end on the C position. So hopefully that was helpful, and I will see you on Thursday.